Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious and Brasia Kitchen. I just share mommy Mobi Biara Aquaba. And then your baba as simple as always. Your baba your birthday cake into a rose flower cake. Okay, let's start. Ebesiafo, niyama your baba using and your baba bobosono. Our ingredients: yemkwe, 2 cups all-purpose flour. Me was salt waha. Vanilla extract. Me wa baking powder. Me wa milk. 3/4 cup almond. Into use the milk bia of your choice. And I hands also me wa sugar. And also 3/4 cup sa. And I me wa nkosiano 3 ewa ha. Me nkosiano nketwa kakra nti ma fa 3. So odo no soso a obetumi afa bi ebe. Na hands me wa 1.5 butter sticks. And I'm a kati ti ye be fiase. Okay, intimidating kosiana bako betun. Well, I know. I'll say on then your cake deal because okay, I'm adding my flour. But the mate is some neka gum. Hey, let's pray for this cake. Okay, Timmy add milk no. Kakra. May use in that though, but kakra. Then I add in my vanilla. Let's go, vanilla. This is in Bechemo 3. Let me use the color. Okay, blue. Nah, yeah, the red. Okay. Then here, yellow. Okay. Here, red and blue, no. Into mirror mix it. Mirror off camera. Into color me pen and a minion. I was trying to get something like purple. So it's good. And this is the yellow and this is the plain. So we want a lighter color here. Instead of me figure, I'll just add a lot of it. I think yeah. Okay, into young colors nene. Yellow, light, purple. Into the say no. My pan is ready here. Into your very yellow one first. Okay. Okay, oven, we are coming. Yeah, next one. Okay. Okay, into the last one. Yeah, we're starting buttercream with 1.5 butter, steak, and icing sugar. 1 packet. Okay, into your beshase. Into no, me change way no. Maybe you should a paddle no for the buttercream. It's low. Low. Oh, butter no should be room temperature. Once I very soft and this no, I started creamy. So you always put your butter out. Okay, this is in here the icing sugar. There we go. That's how so. You sift in it. What's on so? That I need a what can I say? scraping chain, money in Africa. And I want in John. Yeah. And you have added the rest of the ice and sugar. That's the second one. Okay, intimate milk kakra. There you go. I made a vanilla, so 1 tablespoon, sorry. Chaining na. Okay, I'm adding the rest of my milk into about 2.5 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Finally, we are done. Okay, come on. And then so the because a vanilla ice cream. Look, so fluffy. See that? Look inside here. Look inside here. Okay. Into yam buttercream nini. So when I know, I catch them say that is ice cream. Vanilla ice cream pan you. Until we are shana went to TND. My catch yo. Into saying you be plaster yen cake. Yen cake nini. I sure no main chucha because may cover. And the butter, remember saying that butter no, it was so chilled, like the weather was so chilled until now butter no, it had to cream. So this is how a binding inside was not baked, the outside was baked. So when it happens like that, near to say we are the fall kataso. Now I'm mashing 5 to 10 minutes and inside never being. And this is the cake. Continue. So man so me camera no nti mo ho beginning no but my cover ho. Ti say polish it. Okay. Nti say me the question fridge him. Kakra bi. Yeah, smoothing ho. Nti yana secret no. Na colored one yen. Na me shake kakra. Okay. And a white one also. Okay, same yen. I'm the top, nice black and kakra become. Me the darker color kakra. Okay. Okay, it is saying you decorate your cake in. Okay, so until now I overlap the next one. Yeah, no overlap. No one make it just what it is, so that's the next one. Okay, so we are done. Done. Yeah. Okay. Engine. Say no. Nema no aye smooth kakra. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grace. Happy birthday.